Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to a new episode from Linguamid. I prepared for you 10 important words that are related to learning and studying. But before I start, don't forget to join my free course, Egyptian Arabic 101, the fundamental course that you need for background about spoken Egyptian. You'll find the link in the first comment and also in the description box. So let's start with the first word. طالب or طالبة, a student. And we have the version which is a smaller version or the younger version which is pupil. We say تلميذ. This slightly younger, okay, younger in age. But طالب, طالبة, student. Usually in the high school or university, student. طالب is the male and طالبة is the female. Teacher, مدرس. Female teacher, مدرسة. مدرسة. Teacher and female teacher. Also for your information, we also say معلم, which is more of modern standard Arabic. We also say it in spoken Egyptian, but teacher, or مدرس for teacher is more, let's say, used in the daily conversations. But معلم is also a known word. And also, of course, the female version is معلمة. So, مدرس, مدرسة, معلم, معلمة. To teach, يدرس. The verb from teacher, from مدرس. To teach, يدرس. يدرس. To teach math, to teach Arabic, يدرس عربي, يدرس رياضة, which is math, يدرس إنجليزي, to teach English, and so on. So, يدرس, the verb itself is to teach. يدرس. Okay, درس is the verb, the past tense of يدرس. يدرس, to teach. يدرس, to study. Okay, so there is a difference here between يدرس and يدرس. Okay, so with the emphasis يدرس, to teach, and يدرس without this emphasis is to study. Okay, so أنا بدرس عربي, for example, I study Arabic. أنا بدرس إنجليزي, I study English, and so on. So, يدرس is to study. ينجح, for example, to pass an exam or to succeed in life generally is ينجح. ينجح is to succeed, okay, in its general term or in exams and so on. ينجح. And from it we say أنا ناجح. I succeeded. Okay, I already had success. So أنا ناجح. I am a successful man. ناجح. Okay, so here, succeed is to ينجح. This is the verb. To succeed. ينجح. Say it with me again. ينجح. The opposite of ينجح is يسقط. يسقط. And say it with the sin, not يس. It's yes. And then قاف. It becomes يسقط. And then طاء. يسقط. يسقط is to fail. This is the opposite of succeed. يسقط. And the past tense is سقط or سقط. We say سقط, which is the past tense of يسقط. هو سقط في الامتحان. He failed the exam. Okay. أنا خايف أسقط. I afraid that I will fail. أسقط. Okay. So يسقط is to fail. School is مدرسة. مدرسة. And it's from the same family of درس, يدرس, and so on. You can see the similarity here because they are from the same root and they are in the same family. So madrasa here is a place where people يدرسوا, or to learn or to study. So it's called madrasa. Okay, the place of learning. madrasa. University is جامعة. Okay, university. جامعة. And faculty is كلية. So we have the faculty, part of the university, the big one, and we have the كلية is part of the big university. For example, we have جامعة القاهرة, the Cairo University, and we have, for example, كلية الطب, faculty of medicine. Okay, that is part of the Cairo University, and so on. So كلية is the faculty and the جامعة is the university. امتحان, exam. امتحان. And sometimes we also say اختبار. اختبار is more of a modern standard Arabic, as I told you. And امتحان is the one that we use in our daily conversations. امتحان هو عنده امتحان النهارده. He has an exam today. Okay, ده امتحان صعب. It is a difficult exam. ده امتحان سهل. It's an easy exam. So say it with me. امتحان. واجب is the homework. واجب. أنا عندي واجب. And sometimes you say واجب منزلي. Home, منزل, work. To do, something to do. Work, okay? واجب منزلي, homework, or simply we remove منزلي and say واجب, not for it to be too long, and we say just واجب and it's understood among people. So we say واجب, which means homework. So you are now equipped with 10 important words that are related to learning and studying in spoken Egyptian. If you have any difficulty in any of these words, don't hesitate to write to me in the comment section, and don't hesitate also to join my Egyptian 101 fundamental course. You will find the link in the first comment and the description box. It's completely free, completely easy, and it's really effective. Also, don't forget to like and share, and don't forget to look at the description box to see the resources there, and waiting for you in my next episode. See you and have a great day.